Hi guys, it's Matt from GRAMS28. Today we'll be talking about the recently released camera cube set and packing cube set. These cubes are designed as inserts for the larger bags in our collection. They can also be used with any suitcase. Let's dive into the camera cubes first. The camera cube set consists of two cubes, a large and a small. Both cubes are padded on all sides for extra protection. We designed the larger camera cube so you can open it from two directions, accessing the items inside from the top or the front. It can hold the camera with a lens and cage as well as an additional lens. Here we have the Sony a7C II with a 24 to 70mm lens and an extra lens. The two dividers allow you to customize this cube to your gear. The small camera cube fits a mid-size camera, like the Sony a7C II with a 28 to 60mm lens. It helps keep your smaller cameras properly protected. The camera cube set is compatible with the 152 Transit backpack and the 181 Voyager duffel. Let's move on to the packing cube set. What's great about these cubes, they can be used to compress your clothes and make better use of the space in your luggage or bags. The large packing cube is great for 3 days worth of clothes. You can fit 3 shirts and 2 pairs of trousers. The small packing cube is ideal for undergarments and socks. You can also use it to hold outerwear, like this ultralight down jacket from Uniqlo. The front of both packing cubes is made with mesh so you can see what's inside. The packing cube set is compatible with our newly launched duffel bags and our backpacks. Make your next trip easier with the camera cube set and packing cube set. Let us know which one you're interested in or learn more on grams28.com. Catch you next time.